Welcome back, guys, to another session. School started again for me, so I'm not gonna be able to post longer videos, but I think that should be fine. Let's see, where did we last left off? You're dealing with sounds, right? You have the level, so we can have the so we can play a clip at a certain point. If we check out the script real fast. Oh wait, no, it's to I forgot. Yeah, this is to I guess we were doing that one challenge, I believe, where we had to figure out a way to essentially add up all the blocks so that we know how many blocks we have to destroy, and then update that value every time a block gets destroyed. And then once all the blocks get destroyed, it goes to the next level, if there is a next level. And I guess this was my solution, and after that I decided to just see what the lecturer had. But I think we also went over the playing the audio even after the object is destroyed, and that might be in the block script. I forgot. Let's see, the block script. Yeah, so we have the audio source, and then we're going to play the clip at the point. So it takes in an audio clip, which is the audio that we want to play when the block gets destroyed, and then it also takes in a vector 3 position, in which we just place the camera's position. Alright, so let's continue where we last left off. The type we're looking for is game object, I guess, since a block is like all of these are considered game objects. So is this one. You can delete this, and you can activate this again. So yeah, so each of these are game objects, or they could be components too. Oh, level. Oh, my bad. I was looking at the wrong one. Alright, so let's see how we're just gonna place it here, I guess. Just probably try to see if I can add it. Alright, so this is the level. I'm gonna have to, I guess, destroy everything. So we got serialize the field, breakable blocks, serialized for debugging purposes, and public void count blocks, breakable blocks ++. So in our blocks, we have the audio clip, we have a cached reference, and I guess what they mean by that is that we're able to store one of the level objects into a variable that we can reference within this script. So this is on collision, but we want to have it void start. Level equals find object type level. So if we go here, it's gonna close all of them. Find object of type. So it says T object returns T object, the first active loaded object that matches the specified type. It returns null if no object matches that type. So it looks for this one, I guess. Oh, so the name is the type? That's interesting, actually. I never thought of it that way. So if I wanted the ball type, I would have typed in ball here. And it returns the first active object of this type, which, you know, we only have one of them, so obviously it's gonna return this one, and it stores it in here as a cached reference. Alright, let's continue. Oh, I think I know what to do. Alright, so now we have a reference to this level object, or technically, right. So now we want to be counting the number of blocks, right? So what I'm thinking, since this script is essentially attached to each individual block, every individual block, like 1, 2, 3, each one of these blocks will activate this start method, so they'll all have reference to the level method. So if we call on its count breakable blocks method, it's gonna increment whatever value this is for every new block, because each block will activate this start method. It's going to increment whatever this value is by 1 for each block that has this script, which in our case is 24, I guess. So, and what was the other challenge? It says remember that we need to find a level class using the object of type. I don't quite understand this. Like, I get that it does return the object that we want, and therefore we have access to the method, which is the end goal, and so that we can count the number of total blocks, because I guess this is still running and active, so this value will be incrementing on the start of the scene, since this script is also loaded at the start of the scene. Cool. So if we hit launch, first we gotta look at the level. Since it's 24, we'll hit play. We're not gonna maximize it, and it should be 24 here. Cool. Awesome. And then, wait. Oh yeah, this doesn't have a level. Hold up. Prefabs. We have level here. Yeah, so we're gonna drag and drop. Oh wait, wrong one. You gotta go level 1. So you gotta go scenes, double click, save, go to assets, prefabs, drop this level, and then 37. Ah, right. So I'd assume we'd be doing the same. So I guess for some odd reason we do need to create the reference in the object that's gonna get destroyed, or the object in our game that's gonna get destroyed. We need reference to some sort of value, another class, I guess, that can essentially count the total. And I guess that's still kind of like hard for me to understand, I guess. But I do see some like, I get why they did that though. So if we wanted to decrease the amount, I assume we'd have this public void decrease breakable, or something like that. Sweet blocks, in which we do breakable blocks minus minus, and if it collides with the ball and it gets destroyed, we just do level dot count, or we decrease breakable blocks. And yeah, let's see that. So if we look at the value of level, we're gonna lock it. Oh wow. Cool. Alright. So where do we check to see if, oh, over here, right? Maybe? Or do we do it in our scene loader clip? No. I don't think so. Actually, it is a public void, so I'm gonna do what they did. I'm gonna cache reference to the scene loader. So we're gonna get scene loader, scene loader, yes, and then what? Private. Is it private? Or yeah, private void start. And yeah, we're gonna do scene loader equals find object of type scene loader. And then it has reference to the scene loader, and now we can go here if breakable blocks is less than or equal to 0, then scene loader dot, I forgot what method it was, load next scene, I think. Load next scene. Alright. Load next scene. Else we subtract blocks. Oh wait, no. Wait, no. Because at most there should be the amount of blocks available, right? Oh my god. And then we just check if the breakable blocks is less than or equal to 0, and then you load the next scene. Compile. There's a compiler error. We still get this array out of bounds. I think it has something to do with the random value. Yeah, I should probably make an easier level because this is but let's see if I can do it. Oh, that was so close. Oh, alright, we're almost there. Almost got it. Nice. Nice. We got one more. Oh, it didn't work. Alright. Interesting, so it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Dang, if only I had this on. So it says breakable blocks. I said if it's less than or equal to 0, then we want to load the next scene. Oh, my bad. Let me do that again. I'm just gonna increase this. Oh. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna save this, and then we're just gonna add a block here. So there's one. But it was kind of like it didn't play the sound. I mean, it looks like it works. I think yeah. Alright, so let's see what he does. Oh, we're gonna have a quiz. Alright, let's do this. Which of the following values for friction on our physical material would result in a surface like ice? Oh dang, I forgot. Which of the following values? I know it's closer to 0, so I guess this one? Nice. Which of the following will allow us to access the audio component on a specific game object? if it's a component, we wouldn't want the object. So we gotta, well, this one, this like starts off with, it shouldn't be lowercase. So we can cancel this one and we can cancel that one. So we have the set component or get component. Well, we're trying to access, so that'd be getting the component. Why would we use play one shot instead of play when playing our audio clip? Play one shot does not allow us to alter the volume and is therefore more efficient. It allows you to change the volume, I think. Let me double check. Play one shot. Yeah, you can add the volume. Wait, is this the one that's asking? Or I think it was playing. Oh, play one shot. I was thinking of something else. So this is false. Wait, let me double check. Where did we do audio? Oh no, I think we did it for the ball. Oh right. I think I remember why we used it. So we used play one shot on the ball because we didn't want any new sounds interrupting any of the previous sounds. Yes, so it's this one. I was about to click on this one, but this one is the play clip at point method. Why is play clip at point useful? It allows us to play an audio clip at the place we point our finger at our monitor. Yes, that's it. Just kidding. Alright, so it allows us to force our audio clip to be 2D sound. I'm not sure. It is the only way to force a sound effect to start playing on awake. I'm not sure what that means. It allows us to create a temporary audio source that does not belong to a specific game object. I believe that's the case, because I remember like in his video, like when we played like an audio sound, maybe I can show you. Like if you look at here, like we can, what's this? Oh, anyways, we can click on one of these. Oh wait, it doesn't have it? What? That's weird. Because basically, it would generate a random object here that would play a clip, and then it gets automatically destroyed so that we can essentially create a new object for other this one shot audio. I saw it. It said one shot audio here. Yeah, so essentially it creates an object just so that the sound plays even if the object itself is destroyed. I think that seems efficient, since not a lot of objects can be destroyed at once, so it actually does provide, I think, use. Like, I think that's really smart actually. I don't know, I just see it as smart, I think, because like I guess the one thing like I'm worried about would be like, oh wow, if there's many objects you have to destroy, but I don't think that's the case on the average scenario. And I don't think audio takes a lot of processing power. Maybe? I don't know. It allows us to create a temporary audio source that does not belong to a specific game object. So let's go do that. Nice. What is another way that we could write breakable blocks ++? It would be well, this has ++. I don't think that's it. You're not adding anything here, and you're just adding, but you're not storing any values. So it's this one. Cool. So what's the next? Win the level and load. oh, he's explaining essentially how the level script was able to count the number of blocks, and it does it because each block runs their own version of the block script, and which means that the start method gets called that many times, and then because it gets that many times, this variable here gets incremented that many times, which represents the total number of blocks. Oh yeah, that actually is a better name than the one I did. Oh, I guess that's what they did too. I thought I did it wrong. So that is interesting though. Like, the type is their name or the script's name. Oh wait, is it the script's name? Oh, then never mind. That makes sense. Never mind. I thought it was the name of the objects in the hierarchy. But yeah, actually, that makes much more sense to me. So this is the challenge, and it's to basically just to call the method to decrease the number, and then load the next scene, assuming that the build settings that we had is correct. And yeah, so for that part we did we just needed to call this method in the block during the on collision method, which is right over here, and then what was the final one? Ensure that the build settings is correct so that it loads the next level. So we do that over here. Is it still playing? I didn't realize it. So yeah, make sure that this is correct, and it is for the most part. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here since I realized that we already met the 30-minute mark. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later.